Chapter 2, Reflections on the Reawakening East, Q1. What has occurred between East and West during the last 2,000 years and more? Ans, alternations of power have occurred between East and West. Q2. What position did the West achieve with the rise of Greece and the conquests of Alexander? Ans. The West achieved power and the lead in civilization with the rise of Greece and the conquests of Alexander. Q3. How long did the West remain dominant until the fall of Rome? Ans. The West was dominant both in power and culture about 7 or 8 centuries. Q4. Who destroyed the Roman Empire? Ans. When the Germans and Romans started fighting, the Germans destroyed the Roman Empire. Q5. Who had the leadership of the world after the fall of Roman Empire? Ans. The East had the leadership in power and culture after the fall of Roman Empire. Q6. Who contributed to take out the West from the abyss of barbarism and how? Ans. Columbus and Vasco da Gama took out the West from the abyss of barbarism. They introduced Western imperialism and scientific techniques which helped them to be powerful. Q7. What is the most wicked application of scientific techniques? Ans. According to Bertrand Russell, the wicked application of scientific techniques is that these techniques should be used for making the weapons of war.